Hey guys, Cool Domino here. I have gotten another box right here. This time it's a Whelen encoder, hopefully. And basically, it's an E-747 Whelen encoder. Still working on a Whelen amplifier. I need to replace those Zener diodes. But anyways, so basically this is a Whelen encoder right here. I got from eBay, which is pretty cool. There's a couple of them available, so I decided to grab it. I'm gonna open up the box right there. That side, and that side. I could do this one-handed. Should have grabbed the tripod, oh well. Actually, I heard this thing is smaller than you think it is, actually. This is right here. Okay, that's that. Okay. Yep, looks like I got the right thing. According to that, according to the packing list. Nothing else left in the box. Let's go ahead and unwrap this right here. Oh wow, it's a lot smaller, very small. How small that is. Here's my hand on it right here. Actually, very small. Yeah. Set this down so I can cut the bubble wrap off. So you probably remember the E-747 from Roblox if you're a Roblox siren enthusiast. So this is this basically, and I have plans to make one. I'll make a better one in Roblox sometime to sell. But there it is, right there. I'm not sure what. Oh, that's like an Ethernet thing. Interesting. Interesting to have a little Ethernet thing on here, but here it is right here. Seems to look pretty good. Let's go ahead and. You might want to take the Ethernet thing off right here because actually I might be able to use that. I don't know yet. But let's see here. This is your selection right here. My Vortex can't do messages though, so that's not going to be able to work for me, but that's okay. So let's just do a button test. Wish you good luck. This is how you wish you good luck, basically. There we go. And I heard this thing takes a 12-volt supply. According to the manual, it says it takes a 12-volt supply. There's the information on the back. Right there, made of ABS plastic. Power mic. I don't really have a microphone, but that's okay. Let's go ahead. I don't really have anything connected yet at the moment, though, but I'm going to get a speaker out at some point, or maybe connect my radio to it at some point. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. And it looks like that fits nicely. I'm going to turn it on in 3, 2, 1. Takes a couple seconds to boot. I should be on now. And it seems to be working. Just do that. All. It looks like it seems to be working the way it should. Yeah, everything seems to be looking good on here. I'm gonna get a speaker connected up to it so you can hear the tones, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got this Whelen driver connected to it right here. It's not going to be very loud at all because the voltage is like 5 volts or something going into this thing, and this thing calls for 30 volts for full power, which is fine though. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on, and we're going to do air horn for now. We're going to do all, and we're going to hit the send button here. Yep, that's the send, and everything seems to be working just fine. And the other two wires, the black and the red wire, my PTT is what I believe. So basically I read the manual, showed me how to do it. Also I took this little Ethernet phone line thing off right here because I don't think I need that. I'm just going to go ahead and cancel. Seems to be working nicely. Alright then, so I got the both thing connected right here. And my new radio over here. So we're going to start with the silent test. Silent test. I'm not used to the layout yet. Okay, silent test there, silent test there. Do that one and send. Now looks like it's silent testing properly. Now, I'm going to go ahead and do a noon test. So we're going to do that. And we're going to watch the radios here. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And that seems to be working, my friend. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.